Hello everyone, we are back with another tutorial on MultiVendorX, that is Store Analytics. MultiVendorX Advanced Report can be a very useful tool when it comes to assessing financial health of your marketplace. So keeping this in mind, MultiVendorX decided to upgrade its report feature and make it more detailed, more convenient, and yet simple and easy to understand. We know as a marketplace managers how tough your work can be, which is why created an advanced report that would make the job of assessing and managing your marketplace a little easier. To do so, let's begin by enabling the Store Analytics option under the Analytics modules of MultiVendorX. The next step, which include get an overall idea about the ongoing performance of your marketplace. Predict your sales and income based on a vendor-wise or a product-wise report. Receive a transaction history that gives you a financial account of any specific vendor. This includes their credit or debit. Have a vendor-wise search option where you can search the data of any specific vendor just by typing their name in the search field. View sales data on a daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly basis. Once we click onto the Overview tab, Sales, Sign a Vendor, Awaited Product, My Earnings, Pending Vendor, Awaited Withdrawals. Now, once we click onto the Vendors tab, here we can see the holistic reports of vendor-wise earning. It graphically represents each vendor sales along with the commission earned by both you and the vendor from those sales, demarcated with 3 different colors. Once we click onto this product option, we get to see the product-wise report on each vendors. Now, through the transaction history, you would be able to see the bank statements of any vendor of your choice. Just like the admin, for the vendors, it is equally important to maintain their own reports for a healthy, assisting in counting all the business strategy. Let's understand the types of reports under the Advanced tab. The first tab that appears is the Sales Overview tab. Here, the sales report is demarcated by 4 different colors, each states the different statistics. The gross sale is demarcated by the color red, refers to the total sale made by the vendor in the course of time. The average sales of the vendor is demarcated by the orange, indicating how much the vendors can earn on daily basis. Total number of orders placed is in white color, assisting the vendor with the total numbers of orders received in a given time period. Lastly, the total earning is demarcated by green, indicating the total amount earned through commission. You can also set the date range from when you want to get the overview of the sales report. You can also download a CSV file by clicking on it, which will look something like this, followed by the product report that have 2 categories, Overview by Product and under the Overview tab. This field includes the gross sale and the earnings respectively when the products are sold. Under the By Product tab, you have a provision to select particular product and the statistical comparison of all the products sold with all the necessary details, followed by product categories. From the drop-down menu, you can select the specific categories that the vendor wants to view the report in details, containing the gross and the net earnings based on that selected category. Let's shift to the stock report where the vendors can keep track of their stock inventories. Under the stock reports, there are 3 sub-tabs. View the reports on the basis of low in stock. From here, view the products that are falling short or running low. Out of stock. Keep track of the products that need restocking and have gone completely out of stocks. Most in stocks. Here, the overstock products are viewed that can keep the vendor's mind out of the way and maintain the focus on the other 2 stock statuses. You can also manage the products by clicking onto this edit option. Another important option here, the vendor can calculate or keep track of their daily transaction with the following parameter. This lets vendor view the total amount credited to their account from the sales of all the products and services. This amount is not withdrawal from the vendor's account. Average daily credit. the transaction report showing the vendor's amount credited into their account on a daily basis by this average daily credit. Debit of transfer charge. Withdrawal of commission after a request charges a nominal transfer charge to the vendor, which is known as a debit of transfer. Number of transactions. The vendors can view the total number of transactions in a given time period. Number of units ordered. This field signifies the number of products ordered by a customer per unit. Under this tax code tab, the detailed tax is viewed by entering the tax code respectively, and tax by date gives a holistic view with the specific date. Under this column, vendors can view the tax code of a specific country or a region. This section calculates the rate charged under a specific code. This column manages and displays the order of product on which the tax code has been applied. The tax amount charged per product is shown in this column. Here, the vendor can view the shipping amount charged in case it is inclusive of tax. The final amount a vendor receives when all calculations are completed. This is the sample report when vendors can view when their tax amounts is collected. Lastly, under this customer download section helps the vendor to keep track of the downloadable products. It keeps the information in terms of the access to the products that the customer has. As the name suggests, here the vendor can see the duration till which the customer can download and view the product. From here, the vendors can view the name of the product, showing the name of the downloaded file that the customer has purchased from here, showing the unique order against each downloadable product. From here, shows the customer's name who has downloaded the product. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click onto the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.